Hello friends, it's Ella from Ningbo Fuxing Manufacture. Today I want to introduce the difference of our newest CAT 8 STP RJ45 Connect and our traditional RJ45 Connect. Firstly, the material. The newest CAT 8 Connect with material full shade with zinc area housing. It has longer life than new PC, this one. And secondly, the design. The CAT 8 Connect has loader bar with label to make sure to wire easily, and with strain relief boards to support the cable. And the traditional RJ45 Connect without the boards. And here has a dust cap to protect the pins. That's all, thank you. Follow us, more information I will share with you.